Greetings of the day. Myself, Ms. Neetu Gandhi, Principal, Modern School, Greater Noida. I welcome you once again to the school. We would like to apprise you that we have incorporated the modifications and suggestions in the school infrastructure as per the norms of RPWD Act as well as the board guidelines mentioned by your kind self in the school affiliation letter dated 28 February 2023. The details of the modification and changes made are recorded in the video for your kind reference.
The school has constructed the ramps from first floor to access upper floors as per the norms of RPWD Act and board guidelines. As per the guidelines, a separate reading section has been set up for staff in the school library. Constructed separate CWSN toilets for boys and girls on each floor as per the norms of RPWD Act as well as board guidelines. This is a demonstration to show smooth navigation of the wheelchair or walker in the CWSN toilets. This is CWSN toilet for boys for the upper ground floor. This is the CWSN toilets for girls for upper ground floor. This is CWSN toilets for boys for lower ground floor. This is CWSN toilet for girls for lower ground floor. This is for the first floor CWSN toilets for boys. And this is for girls.